Hi everyone!
This is our second video of Alexander Alexander's Hot Wheels. Today we're going to be opening the B case of 2021 Hot Wheels!
Yes!
I'm so excited to see all you guys. So let's see. Let's do it.
Let's do it!
Slice you. Okay.
Let's put this to the back.
Okay.
Ayun.
Okay.
There we go.
Let's see what we get here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Slice. Hey, get out. Come here. Okay. We got a 2020 Jaguar. I love this one. It's really pretty. We got a Nissan Twin Turbo. And we got a Land Speeder. Star Wars. Okay. Come on. Okay. A 32 Ford. Oh no. It's funny. Hot Wheels Formula Solar, I think.
Silhouette?
It's not a silhouette.
No?
It's not a silhouette.
Oh, okay.
And we got a Quick Bite, which is perfect because it's 2021. Happy New Year, guys. This one's kind of stuck.
That's the,
We got, oh, okay. So we got a street wiener. That's funny. So it's like a wiener dog. And if you guys didn't know, this one is it's a treasure hunt. See it? You can't kind of see it with the light, but it has the treasure hunt logo right there. Okay, not bad. We got a poison arrow. And these are kind of bent. We have a Volkswagen Baja Bug. Or Baja. We got a Volvo Estate, red. We got a Carbonator. And we got a Road Bandit. We got a Rockin' Santa sled. Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. And a Nissan Twin Turbo. Alright, let's see. We got another Volvo Estate. We got a Toyota off-road truck. And a Dodge van.
that's a nice one.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it. Okay. We got a high roller. Green. Goes on the dark. A twin mill. And we got, this one comes super, a Corvette Grand Sport Roadster.
So yeah, un poquito más.
Twin mill. A party wagon. Ninja Turtles. And we have the Nash. The Dodge Power Wagon. Really nice Dodge Power Wagon, I have to say, it's nice. A Hyper Fin. And a Hot Wheels Warp Speeder that glows in the dark as well. Okay. We got it looks like a Pixel one, but it's not, a Fig Rig. A Toyota off-road truck. We have a second one. And a Mustang. I think it's a Ford Mustang. Cloak and Dagger. Glows in the dark. Porsche Carrera. And the RV there yet. The one that I laughed at in the last video. The last three of the first layer. Buns of Steel, which I remember is the first one I started the last video. El Camino. And a Carbonator. Right here. I almost gave it to him. Ooh, okay. We got a Hello Kitty Kokami! It's so cute! And it's the first one. A Fast and Furious Thresher? I think that's what it says. You guys can read it. Fast and Furious. And a Batman Night Batmobile. Arkham, I think.
Arkham.
Or, whatever. Okay, let's see. Flip out. Whew. We got another Uno Ford. We got our second Hyper Fin. Surprised, only two. My favorite, Barbie Dream Camper. I love it so much. A Corvette Stingray. A 2020 Jaguar, another one. I think this is our second one or third one. We got a Tanknator. Tanknator, yeah. I thought it was a Tankinator. Tankier, whatever. Sit out. Hot Wheels Warp Speeder.
Another glow in the dark.
Yes, another glow in the dark. Oh, our first one, a T-Rex Destroyer. And another red Corvette Stingray. No one saw that. T-Rex Destroyer. Another one. I think I said the wrong thing about that. Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. Keep saying Hot Wheels, I don't know why. This one's kind of heavy. Is it metal? It's weird, it's really heavy. This one's heavy. And a Road Bandit. A 68 Mustang. Our first one of the box that we haven't got out yet is the Toyota Sprinter. And another the Nash.
I raised this up and I blocked the camera.
Never seen this before. A rigger motor. I don't even know what it is. It's weird. There's flowers on it. A land speeder. Land speeder. And our second Sprinter. Oh, we got a jackpot of a type of car here. Quad rod. And what I said about the jackpot is 1 Land Rover and 2 Land Rover. We got it fell on me, El Camino. A Porsche Turbo. It looks like a Mazda Savannah. And another Dodge Power Wagon. Another Dodge van, the second one. Another Porsche Turbo. Another Corvette Grand Sport. Party wagon. Another one. Retroactive. And another Porsche Carrera. The last 3 of the box. The box is empty. I know what that is. Batman, Arkham, whatever thing. Arkham. I'm gonna do this one for last because I don't even know what it is. Aeropod. I don't even know what this is. Zombot. It's weird.
It's like a robot laying down.
It's weird. And I guess that's it.
Yep.
So, last time we didn't do my favorites, but I might actually do it today.
Which ones are your favorites?
Obviously, I'm gonna grab this I grab Cool Combi. Let's see what else. I don't want to be weird, but I actually like this Land Rover. It's nice. What else? I think that's good.
Ninja Turtles.
No, that's for boys. So my favorites are the Land Rover, the Cool Combi, and the Barbie Dream Camper. So, make sure to subscribe and like this video and comment down below if you liked it. And
also, they can look us up at our Facebook
page on
at
Facebook.
Alexander and Alexa Mars Hot Wheels. It's a private group, so you could just send us a request so we can accept it, and then or comment below if you have little kids or your kids are watching right now. Put your name on there, and then if you want to put your address so we can send you a car, just do that in the comment section. Any of the little kids that want free cars, just leave a comment with your name and your address, and we'll ship them out to you wherever you are. And look us up at Alexander Alexa Mars Hot Wheels if you're interested in more Hot Wheels
that we're selling on Facebook. And we're making live streams. We're going to come up with another one.
Yes. So, like I said, thank you so much. Hit the like button, subscribe. And comment below.
So, we'll see y'all next time on the C-Case. Goodbye.
Bye.